Stations of the Cross. Station 1. Jesus is condemned to death. Station 2. Jesus carries his cross. Station 3. Jesus falls the first time. Station 4. Jesus meets his afflicted mother. Station 5. Simon helps Jesus carry his cross. Station 6. Veronica wipes the face of Jesus. Station 7. Jesus falls a second time. Station 8. Jesus speaks to the holy women. Station 9. Jesus falls the third time. Station 10. Jesus is stripped of his garment.